In the world of supercars, Pagani may not be as big a name as Ferrari or Lamborghini, but every car that comes out of its small factory in Modena, Italy, is a stunning masterpiece. One of the most legendary is the Pagani Huayra, a car that is not only fast but also a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and handcrafted beauty. Pagani was founded by Horacio Pagani, an Argentinian engineer who moved to Italy to fulfill his dream of building a supercar. Initially, he worked for Lamborghini, but he wanted to create something more. A car that was not just about speed, but also about art and precision. In 1999, Pagani launched the Zonda, their first car that immediately took the automotive world by storm. But the Huayra, launched in 2011, took things to the next level. The Huayra was inspired by the wind. Its name comes from Huayra Tata, the god of wind in Incan mythology. Its design is aerodynamic, with flowing lines and iconic gull-wing doors. Every part of its body is crafted from lightweight yet strong carbon fiber, and its interior is adorned with luxurious materials like hand-finished leather and polished aluminum. What makes the Huayra special is its active aerodynamic system. Small wings around the car automatically adjust to provide downforce or reduce drag, depending on speed and driving conditions. Underneath its luxurious cabin, the Huayra is powered by a Mercedes-AMG-built 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that produces 720 to 800 horsepower, depending on the variant. Weighing in at just over 1,350 kilograms, 2,900 pounds, the Huayra can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in 3 seconds and reach a top speed of 370 kilometers per hour, 220 miles per hour. The sound of its engine is like an orchestra. The deep V12 hum, combined with the whir of the turbos, makes every acceleration feel like a mechanical concerto. Unlike most mass-produced supercars, Pagani is only building 100 Huayras, making them extremely rare and exclusive. The price? Around $3 million, not including any special customizations that could make it even more expensive. For Horacio Pagani, the Huayra is more than just a car. It is a drivable work of art. Every detail is meticulously crafted. Even the screws are specially designed to fit Pagani's aesthetic philosophy. The Pagani Huayra is proof that in the automotive world, speed and beauty can go hand in hand. It is a car for collectors who appreciate precision, art, and the madness of driving. If you ever see a Huayra passing by, you are in luck. You are witnessing one of the greatest cars ever made by man.